Good morning. My name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This video is part of my how to cook over a campfire. This morning, I'm going to make an egg sandwich using eggs, cheese, and ham using a pie iron. So let's get started. I've already had my fire going for about an hour now. The coals are really nice and hot. I'm at a campsite with an altitude of about 8,000 feet above sea level, so it takes a little while for the fire to get started, and I'm using oak, and the oak always takes a little longer to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some butter on my pie iron so the eggs don't stick. Make sure you really get it good. I'm going to do both sides. You can use oil or cooking spray, but I decided I wanted to try butter this time around. I've never done this before, so there wasn't a first time around for this. But I have made pizza pockets using the pie iron. Those turned out really, really good. You should check the video on that. I'm gonna get the paper out of here. So, in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is get the eggs on for a little while. I'm gonna try to center the eggs as best as I possibly can. There's one. Go ahead and throw your eggshell in the campfire. There we go. Number 2. This particular fire pit does not have a grate, so I'm gonna have to hold it, which shouldn't be too bad. So let's get the pie iron locked into place. Need to keep it really steady when you first start, because you don't want the eggs sloshing around in there and leaking out. I'm gonna have to hold my pie iron over the fire for a while. So we're gonna sit here and hold this egg for a while until it gets all cooked up. You gotta keep it as level as possible, just for the time being. I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do about cooking my other meals over this fire, since there's no grate and I don't have a tripod stand. That's gonna be interesting. So I'm gonna do my eggs hopefully with a little bit of runniness inside. I really like the yolks not cooked too much, but you can do it however you want. You can even scramble the egg, I guess. I am trying to keep this pie iron over the flames as best I possibly can. So the trick is to get this egg cooked enough on both sides and be able to open it up and then put the bread in and the cheese and the ham and then close it back up again. So we'll see how that goes. Now this kind of meal is gonna be a lot of fun to cook with your kids. You just probably have to supervise them the entire time, since you have to be standing over the campfire or sitting beside the campfire just like this. If you had a grate, that would be a different story. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. This is starting to get a little hot. Okay, let's flip it in 3, 2, 1. Huh, that wasn't too bad. Now, I would like my eggs a little runny, but we're gonna just see what happens. I am really hoping that my eggs won't stick. We'll have to be a little creative if they do. Let's check it. They're sticking a little bit. They're sticking on the top, think maybe if I bang it. Time for breakfast, everyone. Time for breakfast. All right, let's get this off the campfire and get the bread on. I think it might be good enough to do that. It's not sticking on that side, so let's see what happens. See what happens. Okay, let's go ahead and get this pie iron off. Slide that over the side. Let's get a little bit more butter on this. Great. Now I took my bread and I mushed it a little bit to try to fit inside the pie iron a little better. Let's put our pieces of cheese in. I like a lot of cheese. It's gonna be gooey. And let's get some ham on there. You can use any kind of meat that you want. I just decided to go with ham, but there are a lot of really good like vegetarian options out there as well. Okay, let's see if we can get this egg loosened up. Now I'm gonna wanna flip it on top of the sandwich and then get it centered, so. Look at that. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I think my eggs really got cooked though. Well, that's all right. Okay, let's get a little bit more butter on this side of the pie iron. Get our bread on. Look at that, that's fitting perfectly. Okay, let's get it back on the fire. Get it in the coals. I hope you like my bucket stand for my GoPro. Really makes for a good video, doesn't it? Smoke's going in my face. Boy, this wood burned down really quick. Now it shouldn't take too long for this bread to cook up. We can check it. Oh, it's looking really good. So I'm hoping the next video that I make later today or tomorrow is going to be a really yummy Mexican pork stew over the campfire. But like I said, I have to figure out how to get the pot on the campfire because there's no grate. If you have any ideas about that besides using a tripod stand, you know, a cooking tripod stand, which I don't have, I'd love to know. Okay, I'm gonna deem that it's done. I'm hoping that the bread is nice and toasty, but I'm also afraid that my eggs are gonna get overcooked. So let's get it off and try it out. Okay, it's looking gooey. Let's flip it over. Who doesn't like gooey? That looks really good. Time time for breakfast. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, check that out. The eggs are totally gonna be overdone, but that's all right. But it's gonna be hot as heck too. Wow. Look at how nice and gooey the cheese is. Give it a try. This is a really good breakfast campfire meal. Wow. It's really hot. Here's another really good breakfast idea for you when you go camping. Egg sandwich in a pie iron. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And you have yourself a wonderful time cooking over the campfire.